Welcome to our tutorial on numbers and the math module in Python. In this session, we will explore Python's capabilities for handling numeric data types and performing mathematical operations. Let's get started with an overview of Python's numeric types: integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. Next, let's dive into basic arithmetic operations in Python. We'll cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and more. These operations are straightforward and follow the typical arithmetic rules. Now, let's explore the math module, a powerful component in Python for more advanced mathematical functions. We'll demonstrate how to use some common functions like square root, power, and trigonometric calculations.